Hello beauties, what's up? I'm Namita and welcome to Pink Phoenix Face Art Studio. As you guys have read the title that I am doing a full glam with only one makeup brand. So this is my look and it's quite impressive. So before going to the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. So now I'm using Strobe Cream from Maybelline and the shade is Rose Gold, and I'm putting it all over my face, especially on the highlighted areas just like cheek, nose, bone. And then I'm using concealer that is from Maybelline and the shade is light. And then I'm blending it with Beauty Blender. I'm using a damn Beauty Blender to blend my concealer. And then the next product I'm using, that is foundation from the same brand. The foundation I'm using Fit Me Matte+Poreless foundation and the shade is 118. I'm taking a very little amount and damping it with Beauty Blender. Just blend it and use always damp Beauty Blender. Then I'm using concealer. The shade is light. Then again blending it with Beauty Blender. Well, let me tell you guys that all the products I have mentioned it on the description box. Go and check it. Then I'm using a loose powder. I'm just setting it on my under area especially. Oops, so much of excess. Then I'm using 2-in-1 duo. This is a concealer and next this is a contour. So I am using it as a contour. Well, this just a lighter shade of brown. I'm using it as a contour on my bones area, my nose, and then I'm blending it. Then again I'm using a concealer and just concealing it on my eye area and then blending it properly, or either you can use eye primer, but I prefer using concealer to pop my eyeshadows. And then I have two palettes from the same brand, that is Maybelline. First, that is brown and black smoky, and the second I have, that is pink shimmery. So I am using brown and black smoky palette. So first I'm using a light browner shade because I prefer using lighter shade first and just blending it very properly. Then I'm mixing grey and black shades and I'm blending it on the side areas. Then I have just concealed it from the crease area, you can see guys. And then I'm using a golden shimmery shade, and then I just popped my island water area to shimmer it. Then I am using a liner This is a Maybelline Colossal liner, the pen liner, so it's quite best for me. Or either you can use liquid liner also. Then I'm moisturizing my lips with Maybelline lip balm. And then I am using curler that is from Maybelline, that is Hyper Curler Mascara. And then I am using Kajal, that is Maybelline Colossal Kajal. And then I have two lipsticks, that is first I have little pink nude lipstick, and then I have matte liquid lipstick also. Well, this one. So first I am using a lipstick, giving a good defined shade. Well, I really love this lipstick. And then I am using a liquid lipstick also. It's quite glossy and it's wow. Then I'm using setting spray. Just shake it and boom, and it's done. Next I'm using highlighter from Master+Poreless highlighter. Well, I've just broken it and I am just highlighting my areas. Well, personally it's my best highlighter I have ever used from Maybelline. I hope you guys really like this look or video, so please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Bye. I hope you all guys really like this video, so please like, comment, share, or if you are new to my channel, so please subscribe my channel and put the bell notification on, so whenever I will upload or update a video, you can watch my videos easily. So more videos are coming up, so stay tuned for that. Bye.